this is everything I ordered so far. I brought the brushes. I haven't bought a Sperry gun yet, but I'm pretty sure I'll be needing it because you can use the Sperry gun is really useful when you're doing like rainbow type stuff, but the brushes work too. So, and the cleaner is for everything, any kind of material on a shoe. So suede, leather, all of it, anything on the shoe, it can clean. And the special Angelus brush, it has multi-purposes, but I'm going to be using it to clean shoes. This is a little kit I bought so far, and I'm going to go back and order more sooner or later. All right, this is the unboxing, even though it's not a box package thing, from AngelusDirect.com. Bought the brush to clean the shoes, some paint brushes, and some cleaner. So there you go. So obviously Angelus.com is not a ripoff, so if you have the urge to customize your own shoes because you don't trust somebody on Instagram or somebody that say they'll do it, but you want to do it yourself, you can use them. And if you want any of the materials or any materials on their website, I will have the link to the website in the description. So I hope this helps, and if not, you can just leave comments.